radio
Yo,
section.
yo. What it do? Thank you for joining. Today is great. We just got a new pack. I've gotten so many sick presets. We made a sick drop out of it. Black Lotus Audio came out with Octane, Trap for Vital. And this is just fire. I gotta show you what's going on. This is a new release that's coming. You're gonna be able to get all these sounds for the first 2 weeks. You can also get 20% off using my discount code, Dripment20. Go ahead and get that. Everything's in the description. I kind of want to showcase a couple of presets I used. I used a couple in the intro and in the drop. Yeah, let's get into this. Hey, you know what it is. For the first 2 weeks, you can get some bonus presets included with this, and you can get that 20% discount. This will be a sick pack if you want to make some hybrid trap or really anything. First sounds we used are this cool melody. Use it in a low version, so this is the second octave. This is the third octave. And I'm playing in D minor. Kind of like staying around D and like kind of going up and just going back to D really. Kind of see here the notes I'm using. So I go D, this is the third, and I go back down. And we kind of play with the notes like that with all the instruments. It's basically doing the same exact thing as this one. It's higher. Both of these are plucked keys, Sunrise. This next one is the Reese. This is really important. This is low end. So while these are playing, I just wrote a dope Reese to play in. Starting at D, we move and eventually head back to D. It's the fifth. Actually, that's the fourth. So that's the Reese, right? That's the low end. But with this, we go ahead and cut all the lows. And then we add a sub to actually play the lows. And the sub is playing the exact same notes as the Reese. I want to mix it clean, low end. That's playing with these. If you hear, everything's loud. So like on the Reese, for example, we add simple things like OTT, Camel Crusher, and then on this next sound, we have the lead. This is playing a different melody, and we're starting with the fifth, right? A, going down, back to D. We can listen in context. When that stops, I play my own melody. It's like a higher pitch of the same variant, and we just start building it up. Sick. All right, so this first sample here, this preset, is this phone preset. So this is a sustained phone call. What we do is we use this auto pan So it usually sounds like this. We use this auto pen to make it go fast. And throughout the song, we change the speed with this auto pen. And then we added there's a loud rack on this, making it loud. OTT saturator. These are my previous videos and in my Patreon also. And with off, on, EQ8, just taking out the lows. This is making it a little bit louder. And this is the reverb. This is dry signal. This is the wet signal. They blend together. Just get a clean signal. Nice reverb. And then we layer that with like a wide version. This is on the sides. We use this utility to go 400%. All sides. Layer that with this. And then while that's playing, we just have an easy sub playing in the root note D. Right here. And then with the sub, we got drip TT, saturator, and overdrive, and parallel compression. You see here, dry, wet. This has some nice clean sub right there. All right, but that's the response. We have to talk about the call. So with the call, I just add a sub. I add a simple one shot. And add this downbeat. With this downbeat sound, sub, one shot, and then I clip them all with G clip. 6 decibels of G clip. And then when they clip together, they like distort together. So that's the downbeat. It starts with a kick. And of course that. So right after that downbeat, we just have the next sounds. So this is basically part of the call, right? It goes downbeat, this sound, and then the snare, which is on the 3. After the snare, then we hit it with the response. Now during this call, you can see we have 2 sounds here that are used from the pack. First is the 6 sound, the gargle. This one's dope. This is one of the FM. This is the FM Alien Monster. What we do is we add the easy clean rack, company OTT, and a reverb. So this is before. Easy clean. Company OTT. Involver. Reverb. EQ8 cutting the lows, and the clipper is just clipping at 0, yeah? So that's a nice sound. And then I layer it with this sound. This is the FM Shart. And then before my loud rack, after my loud rack 1. Same thing as earlier, OTT saturator, OTT sat, EQ glue, clipper at the end. All right, nice. So then you can hear. Boom. So then this sound also comes back right before the response ends. Then we have 2 different phrases, right? So the first phrase is a call and then the phone response. And then when we get to the next phrase, I change up the bass, like the OG Dripment style bass. This is the prosecute bass in my previous videos. If you watch the prosecute video, you can learn how to make that one. But while this is playing, we have this melody still playing in the background to kind of just hold it down. Playing the root note. Then we have this melody up top playing higher version. Putting these little fills. So I'll add these fills between the next phrase. Start. See, honestly, you could just use some of these presets to make something crazy, unique, your own. I have previous videos showing you how you can really utilize presets if you need to. Don't forget it. Vital is free. You can download it right now. You can get 20% off using my discount code Dripment20. Get this pack. You guys can make music right away. And don't forget, you can use it for trap and everything else, not just trap. We can get down and dirty. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The Black Lotus Audio for all your Vital preset needs. They got everything in the description. Enjoy your day. Stay fresh. Keep it real.